Hi and welcome to this channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can build automatic link building using AI. So here we are at the website. The website we are looking at is AI Monster Tools. So AI Monster Tools is a website that hosts a lot of tools when it comes to SEO, marketing, and website tools. So without wasting much of a time, let's get started. This tool uses AI. This is the new version of the AI link building tool that was developed. So here at the left side, we can see we have so many different tools. When you click on it, we have SEO Audit, Keyword Explorer, so many tools, CTR Boost, Instant Indexing. But that is not what we are coming to discuss today. Today is about link building. So I'm going to show you the link building tool, how you can use it, because a lot of people are sending comments about the new version of the link building tool. So let's take a look. First of all, we click on the AI link builder and then we click on this button and it's going to take us to the software where we can access our link building tool. This link building tool help a lot of businesses to rank on Google, to outrank their competitors, because this can build up to 1 million high quality backlinks. So if you are looking for high quality backlinks without raising a finger, without spending so much money, this is the solution that you can build thousands of backlinks up to a million to your web page, and that will help you to be on the first page of Google. You're going to easily outrank your competitors using this strategy, and this work for a lot of companies, for freelancers, for agencies. So now let's get started. First of all, let's paste in our license, and now the license is activated. This license allows for one complete campaign run up to its specified URL limit. Running multiple full campaigns on the same target with identical settings may not provide additional SEO benefit and could counterproductive. Yeah, could be counterproductive. Please plan your campaign carefully. I understand. So we're gonna click on it. Now we have to upload our URL. So here we have our URL uploaded, and this is about 1.2 million backlinks. And before I continue, I want you to know this software has a database of about over 50 million backlinks. So if you are thinking, how can I get the amount of backlinks that I want or niche related? It is easy for this software to tackle that. So this is the solution for everybody. Now the next thing to do is, after activating the license, we go on to the AI engine. So with the AI engine, we need to connect to one of the AI model, either ChatGPT, Cloud. So let me cancel this. Is let's see. So we have to. It's already connected to ChatGPT here. So we can click on ChatGPT to connect, or let's use Cloud. So let's connect to Cloud, because if you are not connected to AI model, you cannot run the software, because the software is connected to AI through API. So you can either connect with ChatGPT, Cloud, Grok, or DeepSeek, or Google Gemini. Wait, let me see. We are connected to cloud. Okay, so now the system is automatically connected to cloud. So you can connect to DeepSeek, OpenAI, Gemini, Grok. Without connecting, if I deactivate this, so it's deactivated. Let's see here. Let me show you something. You see the run and monitor, the start button. You cannot continue. Here it says no AI model connected. Please configure and connect in AI engines tab. So we have to go back to connect. We are not using ChatGPT. Let's use cloud. Okay, so without connecting to AI model, it's not possible for us to continue running. So we have to connect to one API and one API through the AI engine. We are now connected to cloud. So now we can continue. The next step is we move to tools. The tool settings, we have enable dynamic IP rotation. So here the tool is already connected to proxy. So you don't have to use VPN, you don't have to connect extra proxy. So all you have to do is just make sure you tick this box that is connected. And here we have enable direct Google indexing submission. That means once your URLs are created, the system or the tool is going to submit them gradually to Google for indexing. So that's going to be indexed automatically, but it's not going to be submitted once at a time. No 1 million backlinks is going to submit to Google. So it's going to be a drip status. Drip feed. So it's going to be slowly submitted to Google for indexing. So now we tick this, we click on save changes. Now let's check a look at the operation saves is changed. Activity log. We can see operational settings updated. And we've connected to cloud. Now we can move on to run and monitor. So by the run and monitor, this is where the magic begins. Here we can see we have top competitors and we have discovery status. Okay, this starts after we start running our campaign. Campaign target info. So the target URL is Exploding Brands DE. This is one of my websites that I'm using. And proxy network, we also have proxy connected. So now we can start running our campaign. Let's click on start. Okay, so our campaign is now running. Total URLs 1 million processed is now running, pending success, and we are getting some errors from some of the URLs, and this is normal to have errors. You cannot expect all the URLs to be successful. So links built. So this is showing us the total of links being built using this campaign is running very fast, and the live discovery is scanning the URLs, and here are the URLs that are being submitted to Google for indexing. It's requesting Google to index, so estimated index pages. Okay, so now let's take a look at the dashboard. The dashboard, we can see our license is active and the processing URLs, the links built, and active AI is cloud, Anthropic. So it's connected to Anthropic and running it. And the discovery status we can see is scanning, discovery rate, URL discovered. So it's showing us the total URL that is being discovered through this campaign. And here we have the campaign target, which is the URL, the target URL, and the status shows the campaign is running. And here we can see this the URLs being submitted to Google. Let's scroll down. Important notice. Okay, here says link building is a gradual process. It can take several days or weeks for new links to be discovered and reflected by search engine and third-party SEO tools like Ahref or SEMrush. Patience is key to seeing the full impact of your campaign. Okay, that is good. And here we have the recent activities also being updated. Now let's take a look at the engine. We connected to cloud. Okay, so activity campaign analytics. Okay, overall process is now 0%, and this is counting and running. Success rate, processing errors, links built, and average time. Okay, so 0.03 seconds. That is not bad. And here the content tools. Here we have some of the tools being offered by AI monster tools. So here when you click on it, it's going to take you to that tool where you can also have a look or test the functionalities of some of these tools, or you can go to the home page. And here we have the add-ons. Okay, so the add-ons here we have extra link building types. We have directory listings, we have citations, we have guest posts, we have social signals, and here we have authority backlinks. So what's happening is that if your account or your license is upgraded to cover this, you'll be receiving backlinks from social signals, from authority. You'll be receiving authority backlinks. That means high domain, high trusted authority backlinks. We'll be setting up also backlinks for you, and guest post, citation, directory listings. So that is only if your license covered all this before you see this running. Okay, so let's get back to run and monitor campaign. Our campaign is still running. You can pause the campaign. So now I have paused the campaign. So I can start it again and it continues from where I stopped. So that is almost all for now to show you about the AI link building and tool. It runs automatically. You don't do outreach, you don't do nothing, and it builds very high quality backlinks for your website. So if you are looking to build backlinks without so much effort, without spending so much money. This is the solution for you. You're going to take advantage of it. And here we can see the proxy is green and it's showing us the proxy is live and running. If it goes red, the campaign will automatically stop. That means if it goes red, means the proxy is no more working. And if the proxy is no more working, it triggers the tool that the proxy is deactivated. The campaign will automatically stop. So you don't have to worry about the proxy or buying VPN or extra VPN. You are covered. All right. So if you find this video interesting and want to try this tool to build high quality backlinks, drop a comment below and we will talk to you, get in touch with you and see how we can set up your campaign. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.